Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my fall tablescape that I do in my dining room. I really wanted to turn this space into just a very simplistic but really pretty area that would be decorated for fall and a little bit into Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys are excited. Everything I used in this video is either from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, or Target. Keep everything very simple. I wanted it that way on purpose because it's just not practical for us to go all out and like have a bunch of things and a lot of decor, because I really like that clean, simplistic look. So I hope you guys are excited, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and that helps get my videos out there. I am going to be filming a fall decorate the whole house with me probably in the next few days. I just wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you guys to give you a little taste of what I'm going for in my fall decor this year. So let's go ahead and jump into this fall tablescape video.
First thing I'm doing is I'm going to wipe down my table and make sure it's nice and clean before we start redecorating it for fall. So I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Multi-Surface Spray. This is my all-time favorite fall scent. I don't know if it's new or not. I didn't see it last year, but I think it smells so good, and it actually leaves that smell in the air for a while after you clean, so I highly recommend picking it up when you see it at Target or getting it from Grove. So next I'm using my placemats. These are from Walmart. They were the Better Homes and Garden brand, and they were only $2.88 a piece or something like that, so very affordable, but they're so cute. And these kind of styles are normally way more expensive, so go to Walmart and check those out. So then I'm putting down 4 galvanized chargers. I only had 4 of a lot of things in this video because I used to use this stuff in my kitchen and I only had 4 chairs. So the chargers are optional if you don't want those. So next I'm using these plates that I got from Home Goods. These are just really simple, very pretty white plates, and they were only, I think, $4.99 a plate, which wasn't terrible. And I'm going to put those out. I really like just the pure white and how they have some detailing on them. I just think it's really pretty, and also I can use these year round. For the decorative fall plate, I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they are just so gorgeous. They're exactly the color scheme that I wanted, and they were $9.99 full price, but they were 40% off. So I got 6 of those, and I just think they add the prettiest pop of color, and I love how they look against that wood table. So then I'm going to add a few little napkins. These are the same ones that I used over the summer with my summer plates, so I'm not really changing that part up, but I just want to show you guys what it looked like, all of those little things put together. In this video, I'm not going to be setting the table with silverware and stuff like that, but I wanted to just give you guys a good idea and maybe some decoration inspiration. Filling my new dough bowl, I just got this at Hobby Lobby for only $11, which is amazing. And I got a whole bunch of different pumpkins to fill. Most of these are from Hobby Lobby as well. I did buy a set, and then I'm mixing in a few that I had from last year. So I'm just going to continue playing around with this arrangement to see what I like best, and I really like these colors and how they play off of each other and how they pop off that dark wood dough bowl. I just want to show you guys my pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. These are super cute, so I just wanted to add those to the table. So here's what the table looks like with all the plates and the decor on it. Like I said, I'm not going to put silverware and stuff out, but I wanted you guys to at least get the idea of what it looks like. So I'm wiping off my Hutch. It really hadn't been wiped down in a while, and it was very dusty. As you can see, like, I make a face at the end because I was just shocked at how much dust this thing accumulated. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that down. I also ended up wiping off all my china and just making sure it was nice and clean so the dust wouldn't scratch it or something. And then I'm just going to redecorate this a little bit, just add a few pieces of decor for fall as well, just to kind of tie in, because that piece is exactly the color that I'm going for in my fall decor. This hutch is also very special to me. It was my great-grandma's that was passed down to me, and my mom refinished it, so I was really happy to have it in my home. Another little thing I'm doing is I'm painting some of these pumpkins. These are actually just Dollar Tree pumpkins, but I really am over that like bright orange color. So I just got this gray color and I'm painting over it, and it made a huge difference, and it was $1 little pumpkin, so it didn't matter if I messed it up or something, but they actually turned out super cute, and I did this to a few pumpkins, but I wanted to just give you guys an idea. If you have something that you don't really like this year, you can always just paint it. So here I'm just playing around with some decorations and fall florals. This other tobacco basket that I wasn't using, but I ended up just not using this, especially in this video. I might incorporate this somewhere else, but I just messed around with it to see what it would look like, but it just looked too cluttered, and it really wasn't the colors I was going for this year. So here is just a little overview. I'm adding my favorite candle, which is just vanilla marshmallow pumpkin. It is amazing, and I highly recommend you go get it. And it's from Bath and Body Works. And these little signs are either from Hobby Lobby or Target Dollar Spot, as well as the little pumpkins came in a set from Hobby Lobby. So that's pretty much it. I did very simple and plain decor, but I feel like it turned out super nice and pretty. I'm really into the simplistic decor this year and the more neutral colors, so we'll see how that gets incorporated into the rest of my house.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I did my fall tablescape, and if you did, please don't forget and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this from me. I really do appreciate that as well. And then of course you can follow me on Instagram, which is at Kaleigh Stevens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.